In this video, we will improve an existing product record. For our example, we will create packaging and factory data and connect these to our product record. Adding this type of data helps to improve the quality of a product record, which can lead to more accurate EPDs. Let's start by creating our packaging. Navigate to the packaging page in the left-hand menu and click the Create Packaging button. This will open a side panel where we'll enter the basic information about our packaging. We'll name it Medium Cardboard Box, enter a unique article number such as MCB123 and choose Pieces as the functional unit. Then click the Accept button in the top right corner. This takes us to the packaging page. Here, we can add all the necessary information for our packaging. In this video, we'll only add the materials that make up our packaging. Click the Add Materials button in the Materials section and search for and select cardboard. And then click the Add Material button in the top right corner. Don't forget to add the weight of your material. Let's say 0.3 kilograms for this box. And before we move on, let's save our packaging. Next, we'll create two factories for our desk lamp. Go to the Factories page and click Create Factory. In the side panel, we'll name the factory Desk Lamp Arm Factory. Enter its location by clicking on the map or searching in the address bar, and click Create. As of right now, we don't have any additional data on the factory, so we will leave it like this for now. In the future, we will contact the factory, ask for their data, and update the factory information. Since we haven't made any changes to the data, we can just go back to the factory page without saving. Let's repeat the same steps for our second factory. This time we'll name the factory Desk Lamp Assembly Factory, enter its location and click Create. Now we'll add the packaging and factory to our desk lamp product. Go to the Products page and click on our desk lamp. Scroll down to the Packaging section and click Add Packaging. Select the Medium Cardboard Box and click Add Component. Our Medium Cardboard Box is now associated with the product. Now let's do the same for our factories. Click Add Factory in the Factories section. Select and add both Desk Lamp Arm Factory and Desk Lamp Assembly Factory. Now we get this pop-up since we haven't published any data for our factories. But we will do this later, so we can still add them for now. The factories are now linked to our desk lamp. In our case, the desk lamp arm factory does 70% of the job, and the assembly factory does the rest. We'll therefore adjust the division so that the desk lamp arm factory gets 70% and the desk lamp assembly factory gets 30%. Now that we are done, let's not forget to save our product. In this video, we covered how to improve your product record by adding packaging and factory data. If you encounter any problems, we have a helpful AI assistant, comprehensive documentation, and online customer support to guide you. Thanks for watching.